Hello guys, and welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. In today's video, we are driving to our lake. We're going to try to have a little bit of fun. We're gonna do some fishing. My kids are gonna do some snorkeling. My snorkeling kit has not come in yet. We will do some fishing as well, and possibly fly our drone and try to put it all together. So if you guys wanna kind of like join us for a little adventure at our lake, I would like for you guys to do that. And there's my wife with her cookie. Well guys, enjoy. Well guys, we just made it to our lake. We're driving through our park right now, and we're gonna be getting set up pretty soon. Guys, we are continuing our fun here on Sunday with my family at our lake. We need to really do this more often. I think like at least like one Sunday come here and just enjoy ourselves. So in order to enjoy myself, we already done a lot. We put some snorkeling for my kids. They got a chance to swim. Now my snorkeling hasn't came in yet, so unfortunately, but it's gonna come in tomorrow. So I'm gonna definitely plan next week to come out with my snorkeling, or maybe sometime this week. I also brought some fishing gear. It's over there with my fishing poles and stuff like that. So we're gonna be fishing today. But yeah, it looks like just drag it around, and I guess maybe, you know, I'm gonna catch some catch. I already have like a big hook on here. And simply just insert this frog in here, and then close it up. Now these things are meant for like oceans, and this is so that the bigger fish, it does not, you know, like break your line and stuff. Let's see if we catch anything. Okay, here's Jason. He's my true fisherman, so I'm gonna put myself one as well. Hey guys, the cool thing is this frog bait, it's got air inside, so you really don't need like any bobber or anything. You could just cast it in without it. So wow.
О, сыночек, поймал рыбку?
что, honey? What? We did it! So hold the snorkeling piece by your nose like this. Hold it with your hands. Okay, is it good? Is it on? You have to stick it on your face a little bit. Okay, now we need to... Is it comfortable? Okay. Look at me here. Then you have to put this snorkeling piece back on there and snap it in. You can adjust it. Okay. You're doing it wrong. You have to bite down on that little piece portion. Like this. Okay, close your teeth like this. Do like this. Just close it. Yeah, like this. Okay, now open up just a little bit. No. No, listen. Just close your teeth. Close them. Just let it in a little bit. Okay, let me look. Okay, you're kind of doing it. Just you have to bite down on little plasticky things. Okay, Kevin, let me help you. Look, this is what you come over here. So you're a little bit older, I could explain this to you. You push these down, these tabs, and you have to remove your snorkeling piece. First you remove it. Can you put this on by yourself? We need help. Okay, come over here. Come closer. Okay, when I put this on your face, just hold on to the mask, okay? Can you hold on with your fingers? Adjust it where it's good for you. Is it comfortable? Okay, now we put it on your forehead. Does it feel comfortable or feel like it's gonna fall off? Do we need to make it tighter? Is it good? Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and adjust this piece here. Snap it in. And there you go. Hey guys, I just want to explain what the snorkeling kit comes with. So it comes with a bag like this, and inside we put all the plastics that it came with. So we got 2 snorkeling kits, that means we got 2 bags. Each kit came with a nose plug. So I don't know why would you need a nose plug, but you do have it in case you want to use it with something else. So, and of course we got earplugs. Here's a snorkeling type of clips. It is made out of plastic. In case it breaks or something, you have an extra one. So this is very nice of them to actually include these. So guys, if you want to get a snorkeling kit for your kids, take a look in the description below. I'm gonna actually put a link in there of the kit that we got for our kids. Now we got the color blue, but there was other options available. There's some black, there's black and yellow, and there's a bunch of other colors. So choose what's right for you. There was actually a pink kit, only one left, but I don't need pink. So the blue ones, there's plenty of those. Guys, things are kind of shaky here at the pier, but we're gonna try to fly a drone. There's my drone here, got a couple bags, got another GoPro, and this video is being done with the GoPro. The birdie has landed.
My name is Serge ZIMALETA. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.